इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये।
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share this festive makeup tutorial look with you all. This look is really very easy to recreate and I'm going to wear this on Diwali too. So to know more, make sure that you watch this whole video till the end. I have started by prepping up my lips first because I'm gonna apply a matte lipstick in the end and I want my lips to be pretty much moisturized, so yeah. I have already moisturized my skin beforehand. Now I'm directly gonna move on to the primer. For my primer, I'm gonna use the Patanjali aloe vera gel over here. To the aloe vera gel, I'm going to mix a little of the DIY liquid highlighter which I recently made and I'm surely gonna upload that video really soon. I have added liquid highlighter because I really wanted my skin to glow from within for Diwali. If you do not wanna add liquid highlighter, you can completely skip this step. My hands and my skin look so much glowing right now, it's like to die for. Before you move on ahead with your foundation, please make sure that you let this sit onto your skin for about 3 to 5 minutes. For my foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Here I have 2 shades of the foundation because one shade is really lighter to my skin and the second foundation is really darker to mine. So I'm gonna mix this both together to make an ideal perfect match for my skin. I like to dot the foundation on my whole face with the ring finger. Not forget to apply the foundation on your neck too because you want your skin to look even, and I really don't know why my neck was appearing a little bit darker in this video. I am going to blend the foundation under my eyes and my upper eyelid with the ring finger of mine first. I am going to show you 2 ways to blend the foundation. The first method is going to be with the brush and the second method I'm gonna show with the beauty blender. While using the makeup brush, please make sure that you push the foundation into your skin rather than dragging the foundation on your skin. And while using a beauty blender, please make sure that you use a damp beauty blender. And while using a beauty blender, make sure that you dab the beauty blender onto your skin. Once I am done with the foundation, what I really like to do is I like to set the foundation with the compact powder. And I am going to push the compact powder onto my skin rather than dragging it. Once I am done setting my face with the compact, I like to contour my nose and my cheek and my jawline. I like to powder contour my cheeks from slightly below my eyebrows. I don't know how do I really explain it, but I hope you can see the way that I'm following over here because I have got chubby cheeks and I want my cheeks to appear a little slimmer than what it is. The jawline or the double chin, which I definitely do have, what I like to do is I look up and I follow the jawline's bone and I contour it that way. It really makes the skin, it really makes the face appear more edgy and sharper than before. Once I am done powder contouring my skin, I like to highlight my skin later after the contour thing. For highlighting, you can use a concealer which is lighter than your skin tone. For the highlighting, I am not using a concealer, I am using a foundation over here because it had a good coverage to it and it even was lighter than my skin tone, so thus I opted for the foundation. And this is my hat for you all. I am just kidding, please do not mind. I am going to blend this with the beauty blender. And once I am done highlighting my skin, what I like to do is I like to set it with the compact powder. You can use loose powder instead of the compact powder. Now let's move on to the eyes. I am just lining my eye and I am using a gel liner over here. We later have to smudge it, so you do not have to be perfect at it. And to smudge the eyeliner, I am using this brown shade which I use to powder contour my skin. Make sure that you take your time while smudging this. Once I am done smudging it, I am going to line my eye with the same gel eyeliner. I am going to do the same with the other eye. I am going to follow the same way for my lower eyelids as I followed for my upper eyelid. I am done with my eye makeup. I am going to dust off the fallouts if I have any. Now I am going to apply the mascara on my upper eyelashes and lower eyelashes. I am going to wipe off the lip balm now. For my lipstick, I am going to use these two shades by NYX Cosmetics. I'll be listing all the products that I have used in this video in the description box below, so please make sure that you check that out. Lastly, for the highlighter, I'm going to use the DIY liquid highlighter which I recently made, and I'll make sure that I'll upload that video real quick. So yeah, I'm going to apply the highlighter on the usual places. And trust me when I say this highlighter has turned like so very amazing that I can't even tell you. And this was the first time I tried it in this video itself. So yeah, I really liked it. Like, I liked it a lot. In fact, I should say that I loved it. Like, seriously, I can't even express it. Finally, the makeup is over and I'm gonna move ahead with the accessories thing. And all the accessories which I have worn in this video, like be it bangles, earrings or bindi, I bought it from Tulsi Bagh, Pune. You will find a wide range of variety over there, and that too for a cheaper prices. Like, you should seriously go and check there once. While filming this video, I seriously had a very bad hair day. I really hope that I'll be having an amazing hair day on Diwali. And if you liked my video, please do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet, because it would really mean a lot to me. So yeah, till then, bye bye, take care, and a very happy Diwali to you and your family.